Hey guys, Dallas again with Chaos Fragrances. Today we're back with another video. This time we're going to be taking a look at some fragrances from theman.shop. Now this is a company that just reached out to me. They specialize in making some colognes, home fragrance as well, like candles. I know they do also do some stuff with solid colognes, the non-spray kind. They reached out to me on Instagram wanting to know if I wanted to try some of their product. And after I looked at their website, I was really impressed with their website layout. They really focus on catering towards the regular man, the regular dude who really isn't a cologne enthusiast. They have really cool names for all of their fragrances. They have great ways of describing them, and I think it's a great way for dudes that don't really know too much about fragrances to kind of get started with it by trying some of their products. So I said, yeah, definitely send me some stuff for me to check out so I can do a review on it. And I just got the box today and I started opening it, and I was so impressed with how everything was packaged in here and the layout and everything that I wanted to do an unboxing as well as my first impressions all on the video. Like I said, I didn't really plan on doing an unboxing, but so impressed with how they packaged everything, how they shipped it all, and I wanted to go ahead and do an unboxing. So let's go and get started. You can see I just broke the seal here, opening the box, and you can see on the inside first we have a little note. Very nice. I'll read that in a second. And you open up the box, and I don't know if you can see this or not, but we have some nice padding, and you can see we got some stuff right here. Also the fragrance, they sent me the spray bottle. It's the 2 fluid ounce spray. This one is called It's Lit. Let's see, we've got geranium, cedar, amber, and aquatic notes. So it's gonna be kind of a woody aquatic, it sounds like, and they have really nice padding. What I like about this, and this may sound stupid, but I really like the padding material they use. It just kind of goes along with the whole theme of their website, the whole theme of the man. It just, everything fits together. I love what they've done as far as their font, their coloring, their choice of design for their fragrances. And let's go ahead and open up this letter. Oh my god, a freaking wasp just landed on my camera. Ooh. Okay, so we got a handwritten letter. Thanks for giving the Man Shop a chance. We're excited to share our products with you. We've included our colognes, It's Lit, Happy Hour, and On the Road Again. We love your feedback on our product. And see, this is what I love, again, going back to the names of their fragrances. They're all very fun. They're all very easygoing. You know, a lot of the fragrances are some of these French names that the average person, myself included, can't pronounce half the time. So I really enjoy what they're doing here as far as their branding, their advertisement goes with their fragrances. So let's go ahead and jump into how these smell, because I'm really curious. So I'm going to start out with Happy Hour. This one sounds fun. This one doesn't have the notes on it. It's just a little cologne wipe. So I'm not going to be able to list off the notes right now, but we will see. Throw that down. See this one again, Happy Hour. It has kind of almost like a mint I'm getting. I don't know if that's listed as a note, but it has a little bit of a cooling, slightly spiciness to it. A little bit woody. This one definitely smells kind of as the name suggests. It has this kind of upbeat, kind of uplifting scent to it. And it does kind of remind me of something that you'd wear if you're going out with your friends on the night, going to the bar. You know, yeah, I could see that's something you'd wear for that for sure. Very nice, very nice. And these cologne wipes are really cool. If you're sweating out here like I am, go wipe it down. Nice. Yeah, I definitely feel like I'm getting some sort of mint or some sort of, I don't know, something that I can really feel when I smell it. All right, up next we're gonna try On the Road Again, another really cool name. This one I could kind of imagine smelling like, you know, you're traveling, maybe you're going on a road trip, you're stopping at a lot of places along the way, like out in the nature. So I'm really curious. Oh yeah, I like this. I like this a whole lot. I'm almost getting some oud from this one. Definitely getting some oud, some woods, a little bit of spice. And this one does, like I said, it kind of reminds me of, you know, going on a road trip, you know, with your friends. Maybe you pull off to the side of the road at a little campsite, and maybe you're eating lunch just kind of off in the woods, a little bit off in the trees. I enjoy this one. I really like this. It has this really nice outdoorsy, kind of woody smell. Oh yeah, I like this. I really do like this one, guys. This one is very nice. Definitely getting some sort of oud in there. Now let's go ahead and open up this. They were kind enough to send me a bottle, so let's go ahead. Again, going back to their whole presentation, I like the type of box they're using for this. Everything just fits together so nicely on their website. I do have brands and companies that reach out to me from time to time, and I don't always say yes to all of them. Like I said earlier, I did say yes to this company because I do believe in what they're doing. I really like their branding, what they're doing as far as how they're marketing their fragrances. So Here we go, we have it's lit. We have a very cool black bottle. You can see you got the label right there. Ooh. Very, very good sprayer on this. Okay. I like this. Definitely kind of spicy. I feel like I'm getting a little bit of an oud note to this one as well. Kind of woody, maybe a little bit of a lavender accord. This one is very nice. This one is nice. It's got this very uplifting kind of vibe. Kind of reminds me a little bit of the happy hour one I told you about earlier, I smelled earlier. Has this kind of nice, bright, kind of uplifting mood to it, this nice uplifting character to it. I really enjoy this. This is nice smelling. Now I can't speak on the performance for this or for any of the other ones because this is just my first impressions, my first take. But just kind of smelling them by the type of notes they're using, a lot of woods, a lot of kind of darker, heavier notes. I feel like these would stick around for a while on your skin. I really enjoy this one too. I think out of all of them, my favorite is On the Road Again. I really do like how that smells. It has this nice outdoorsy feel, like I said, and it's really kind of reminiscent of what the name of it is. Again, I love the bottle on this. It's a nice black. Again, everything fits along with their theme very nicely. The sprayers on these types of bottles are very, very good. So definitely hitting it out of the park there. So I like this one. Like I said, I think my favorite is On the Road Again. But all of these are very solid scents. All of these are very wearable, and they're very good for any type of guy, whether you're just getting started in fragrances or whether or not you have a collection. These are great. I think these would be a great kind of addition to your collection and definitely worth checking out, especially for the price, which again, I'll link to their Instagram and their website down below. Definitely go shop around, look at some of their products, see what you like, because the prices on this stuff, very good, very affordable. So yeah, this is very nice. I do enjoy all of these. They were also kind enough to send me a solid cologne. I've never actually used any solid colognes before. But what you do is you just open it up. I'm assuming you just take a little piece off and then you dab it or rub it kind of on your wrist or your pulse points on your neck. And what's nice about these solid colognes is they can make a great base layer for your spray if you choose to do that. Just dab a little bit of the solid down on your skin or wherever you're applying, and then spray the spray over top. That would make a great base, and I think that will work very well. They also have roller balls, so you can see you just unscrew that and you have a little ball, and then what you would do is, again, you would just kind of rub that right there on your wrist or wherever you're applying, and it applies a nice bit of fragrance. This one again is the happy hour one. Very, very nice. I really like the smell, and the roller ball works very good. Again, I've never used any type of roller balls like this. That works very nice. So like I said, guys, I'm really impressed with their website, with their packaging. I'm really impressed with their website and their packaging. It's very high quality, very professional. They shipped this out to me in like a couple days. I wasn't expecting to get it yet, so I was really excited to see that show up. So again, guys, I'm going to leave all their info down below. Go check them out on Instagram. They're posting a lot of cool product pictures, and also check out their website where you can maybe look into getting some of this stuff. Again, great products. I don't think you guys will be disappointed. Definitely worth checking out. I want to thank you guys for sending me this little box of goodies. Really appreciate, like I said, very impressed with you guys. Very nice people to deal with. Very great products. And as always, guys, I will see you in the next video. Peace.